Choosing the right trimmer can be a difficult task. Well, I'm about to make it simple because I've got two trimmers that I feel every dude should have. First, I got the Wall Black and Gold stainless steel trimmer. It's a cordless trimmer with a stainless steel body, comes with precision ground blades which are rinsable, and also has a smart LED indicator. It comes with interchangeable heads and guards so you can keep your beard groomed at any length. The blades are self-sharpening and precise, so you are bound to get a salon-like finish. It comes with a nose and ear detailer, so those pesky spots are not going to be a problem anymore. And if you want a more cleaner look, the detail shaver will do just that. The guards are super easy to attach and ensure that I look my sharpest. It's summertime and us men wear hairy. Where there's hair, there's going to be sweat and bacteria, which causes foul body odor, so it's important to trim it down as much as we can. And this is where the Philips Body Groomer comes in handy. This will take care of all your body grooming needs. It is 100% waterproof and has a unique skin protection system. You can trim your hair in bi-direction and even over sensitive parts without the fear of cutting. These two trimmers are perfect to keep you looking your sharpest.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.